So a lot of these, we call it the energy efficiency industrial complex. There's a whole ecosystem of folks that are going to be shifting their focus, and we've been sort of doing this over the last 2 years, and we think, we kind of have this practice up and running right now, but we think that everybody's looking for that next project or program type. So they're looking for repeatable, real, actual savings that are going to deliver, 6-digit kilowatt hour reduction on a per site basis and can be repeatable and scalable. Simultaneously, there's never been more connected devices or visibility into a site, but with that, that tremendous availability of data comes kind of this overload. You've got tons of information, and holy cow, what do you do with it? It's a pretty intimidating task. Layer on top of that, the fact that energy is getting more expensive, and energy efficiency in a refrigeration system very closely tied to refrigerant levels, which are often declining due to leaks. And refrigerant is getting awfully expensive from a regulatory and from a supply perspective. And then lastly, we think that this renewed focus on energy efficiency in the refrigeration and HVAC space is going to coincide pretty closely with, hey, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed, and the folks that are qualified to do this are in very short supply. So how do we use them to their highest and best use to make sure that they're focused on the right stuff? And the right stuff essentially is serving two functions: making sure the food is the right temperature 24 hours a day. That's primary. And along the way, if we can significantly, reduce meaningful kilowatt hours at the site, that would be a great objective too. And we feel like if you focus on the right stuff, you take most of those available chips off the table from a savings perspective.